Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up this 2013 Chevy Impala. It's a nice car, and then the reason I picked it up is my brother needed a vehicle, a LTC package. Yeah, overall it's in good shape. Yep, it comes with the remote, the GM style. Back to the early 2000s, I guess. And then it has 123,000 miles. So I would say it's a low mile vehicle. And then no cracks on the dash. Awesome. No crack here. The armrest still in good shape. Yet the leather's still good. Oh, it's a leather seat. It's LTC. And then you have a lot of room on the back. It's a full-size vehicle. Great. It's okay. Still the GM original radio. No big deal. I can swap it out later with the aftermarket, with the Android system in there or whatever. Dual zone AC. Nice. I know this side is not working. Probably the blunt door actuator inside the glove compartment has failed. It's pretty common on this car. What else? Oh, it came with a leather tag, so it saved me like 100, maybe $200. Yeah, everything in good shape. I have that a fake wood grain, but it's okay. No scratch, nothing. Still in good shape. And the Bose sound system, which is good. Oh, and a sunroof. Yep. Yeah, I will walk around the car and then check what I need to fix, and then I'll check up the vehicle and also check what I need to fix. Yeah, overall look okay. No crazy rust around the wheel well. Pretty much no rust. I'm pretty surprised of scratch here. It's okay, I can buff it off. Yep, and then no rust on the wheel well, which is great. And I have a little bit rust here. Yeah, I need to fix that before getting too deep. Let's check out the trunk. Pop. Oh man, it's heavy. Oh yeah, it have a hydraulic on both sides. It's good. And then the trunk space is humongous. It's really deep. I believe it's around 18 cubic feet. I think that's a huge trunk space for a car, especially for a sedan. And then it can run on flux fuel, which is E85. So it can give you some a couple more horsepower. Yeah, E85. This is good. So give you an option on fuel. Yeah, the thread is good. But the problem is I hope you can see it. You see all those tiny cracks on it. Yeah, because this tire was made in the 50 weeks of 2016. So it's pretty much what today's this is 2023. So 7 years tire. It's about time, I think. The beauty cover, and then find out have some leaks here around one of the PCV line. So, and I have some a wettage around here too. Don't know what happened. You can see a lot of soot build up. It might have a high oil pour over. Have some oil inside the seat too. So I'm gonna put the car on the jack stand so I can look underneath to see all the brake lines, fuel lines, brake hose, brake pad. Yeah, and estimate what I need to repair. But for now, so far so good. Just a couple scratch on the car. No big deal. Probably can buff it up. And then some tree saps, and then a oil leak around the PCV line. And then beside that, the engine bay is pretty dry. And I checked the oil levels good. And here's the transmission cap. And this model of the Impala is nice. Once you remove the transmission cap, it built in a dipstick. So it tells you like how many fluid in there for the transmission. That's a really nice setup. Alright, so I put a depth of like a brand new transmission fluid. It's a DEC 6. That's what the all the GM vehicle use. I think after 2006, I believe. Whenever they introduced the first 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's look at the fluid from this car. It's darker but still red, so it's still good. When I smell it, you don't have the burn taste, which is good. So I think the transmission is still healthy at the moment. So, and then let's move to this side. I put like a dab of like a new engine oil. It's a little bit light brownish color. So now I put a oil dipstick from this engine. Yeah, big dog, but I think it's okay because based on I talked to the previous owner, he changed the oil like 500 miles ago. So I think it's good. But anyway, I would change the engine oil and transmission fluid anyway. It's like I don't know the whole lot of history about this car, so why not just change it, make sure everything's right. Check the this is a brake fluid. I don't know, maybe just do this way. It's quite dark. Yeah, because when you look inside, it's pretty black. So I'm gonna change the brake fluid, and it's kind of halfway. Yeah, seems like it. Yeah, kind of like halfway when I shake it. Yeah, it's like almost here. Let's check the coolant. Yeah, it's still bright red, and it's at the right amount, I believe. Yeah, it's the right amount, like this line right here. Oh man, I think you can point it like right there. Yep. So the cooling level is good. So it seems like this car is pretty good maintained. Okay, it's good. Now I can check out the vehicle and then check underneath. Go underneath, take a quick look to see is that all the lines good. Right. Well, like here, I can check it now. Look at the fuel line, still in good shape. Yeah, no rust. The coating's still there, which is good. Yeah, have some underneath body rust, but not terrible. Probably can use some like a full film to undercoat it a little bit so it can last a little bit longer. Let's go underneath the front to see any leaks. So here's the transmission. Still bone dry, which is good. And here's the oil pan. Have some soot, I don't know what it is. Have some leakage here, it seems like. You have some wet spot. The exhaust still in good shape. And then, like as I say, this one have like an aluminum cross member, which is like really nice. This is the brake lines. You have some rust here, but that's like the body. But the line itself is good. AC line seems okay. Yeah, more brake lines. They look good. So that's probably the two from the master cylinder to the back. You have some rust like this. Ooh. Yeah, definitely need to undercoat this so I can drive this car at least like for a couple more years. Yeah, so far so good, I would say. Then let's grab like the 6 and 3 angle. You can see the ball joint. The boot is totally ripped. Yeah, I'm not sure you can feel it. I can shake it by hand. Okay, the ball joint is shock. And here is the passenger side. Yep, also need ball joint. Oh, you can see the ball joint right there. When I shake it, alright, the wheel bearing is still tight. Just the ball joint. Okay, let's move to the passenger wheel. The ball joint is good. Yeah, wheel bearing is good. This is like a driver's side rear. Alright, so I need 2 front ball joint. Okay, now I can take off the wheel and check on the brakes and all the brake lines and the brake pad, how thick they are. Alright, loosen up all the nut. That's like the passenger wheel. No, sorry, this is driver's side. Quick look. Yeah, this thing's like busted. Well, but it's the anti-roll bar is good. Brake pad, how can I see it? Half shaft joint, the transmission's dry, is good. This one maybe a little bit cracked. I think it's okay for now.
I wish I can have the small one.
Yeah, you can have a small one. So the brake line's good, no rust, and then no rust here too, which is good.
There's only inside from there.
Yeah, the brake hole's nice, and then but the pad life is pretty much like
Dry.
Done. It's just like I don't know, 10% left maybe. So since I'm going to change the pad and the rotor is not in that good shape, so I'm going to get a discounted a new rotor in the front and new pad in the front. So let's see what we're looking at here. Okay, that's the brake line coming from the front. It still looks nice. And then it looks okay here. There's no crazy rust. And the line's still good. That need to keep the eyes on it. Maybe I should change this line. Yeah, a little bit too rusty here. Okay. And you get a little new brake holes on the back. And then I hope you can see the flashlight. Yeah, the pad life on the back pretty much like done.
Done?
Yep. So in a new rear brake pad and rotor on both sides. Okay, pretty much full set, and the hose. Okay. Everything's tight. That's a good thing on the back. Okay, let's check another side. Just the rear right. Hold the flashlight, please.
Where, Dad?
I can hold it. Oh, this one here, right here. Show the team what happened here. Oops, sorry, there is phone. They don't know how to use a cell phone. Maybe from the bottom. Yeah, like this. Yeah, the brake pad pretty much same thing, like probably 5 to 10% left. Okay, and then pretty much same thing on the rear left side. Need the new brake hose is rusty here. Okay, the strut is okay for now, no leaks, nothing. The sway bar link is still tight, which is good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure like same thing happened to the front right. Need a new pad and a new ball joint. Let me do this time. Ooh,
Oh, they were super magnet.
yep. All right, my little helper is really helpful. He gave me the flashlight. So yeah, the brake line's good, brake hose good. Yeah, no crazy rust around here. No crazy rust around here, not like the rear. The pad life, same thing. About like 10% left. So in a new pad, since I'm changing the pad, in the rotor too, have some like a high spot here. One thing I want to check is like based on what I found on the internet, this car have a common leaky spot on the like the power steering pump. So here's the power steering pump, this one right here. The leaky spot right there, the nuts, but I see it's pretty dry. I see more like a wet spot at the front cam cover. I think there's a common leaks on this engine, but I'm gonna keep it like this. It seems to have some seepage. Yeah, I don't want to remove the front cover. There's a lot of work. Okay, so mechanical wise, in the outer tie rod, since I'm changing the outer, I'm going to change the inner as well. Make a set. And need a set of brakes pad and rotors, front and back. I think that's it for the mechanical stuff. Now let me put the wheel back on, lower the vehicle, and then plug in the scanner and see what code we have. Alright, here's the repair list. This 2013 Chevy Impala needs left and right front outer tie rod, and of course it needs 4 new tires. It needs all new brakes, pad and rotor at each wheel. It needs repair on the temperature blender actuator on the passenger side. It needs rear strut on both sides, the rear brake hose on both sides, cabin air filter, all filter, nope, all fluid need to be changed, like engine oil, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, brake fluid, and coolant, and need to do some like a rust repair. Yeah, that's the list. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe. So thank you for watching, guys. So stay tuned. I have more like a repair video on this 2013 Chevy Impala is coming. Alright, see you in the next video, and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.